Hello everybody, it is just Carlo and we are at it again. Today I am very excited because a few days ago, this arrived in the mail. This got shipped from Victoria on Vancouver Island from a shop called Landsharks. Many people in the geocaching community will know that Landsharks is a shop based in Victoria that specializes in geocaching supplies. I will link them in the description below. So recently, Landsharks had a 20% off sale, and of course, I had to take advantage of that, and this arrived, so we're gonna open it up. Now, 2022 for the geocaching community is the year of the hide. I have not hidden any geocaches yet, and I'm very excited to do that this year. We've already been collecting containers over the last few months just in preparation for making our very first geocache hide. So we're not short of any containers, but I just thought it would be really cool to get some extra ones. There are some supplies for me to hide some geocaches, but I also got some souvenirs that maybe I can place in geocaches. Also, I have a bunch of pins. I just thought these were really nice little collectibles. Start with this one here. That is a cardinal. We also have a fox pin, and we have an owl. These are pretty nice. I don't know if I want to get rid of these. I might just keep these for myself. Let's open this one up. This one is, I thought, was pretty cool. So this is a pin. It says TFTC. Of course, people will know that that means thanks for the cache, and that is just a nice way for us to thank people who are putting time and effort and creativity into cache hides. So thanks for the cache. And this one, this one is a geocoin. Pirate swag, pirate booty. I just thought it was really cool. That is a little pirate geocoin. I don't know, I think maybe my geocoin journey starts today. I'll see how Denise feels about me starting to collect more stuff here. Now, next we have some things that are meant for hiding geocaches. I think we'll just start with this one. Right, there we go. You got your typical match-proof, kind of waterproof match container. The logbook goes in there. What's in here? I forgot. Oh yeah, I almost forgot what I ordered. We have got a little bison tube. This right here is a rock cache. So I found a few of these before, and the cache gets hidden under there. Recently we found one of these, we found a couple of these actually in different locations. Electrical plate, and it has magnets on the back, and the logbook just kind of hides in there, and you put that up against a metallic surface. We have a thermometer. Okay, and this opens up. Oh, and there's the logbook just popped out. So the logbook goes in there. Finally, we have this very devious hide, which these ones frustrate me so much. Now, if you know, you start really scrutinizing almost every little bolt that you see and you come across when you're searching for a geocache, because look at that thing. So this screws off, the cache hides in there. I may have gone a little overboard, but you know what? Isn't that what happens? Isn't that what we do when there's a sale sometimes? We are finally ready, we feel ready to go out and actually hide some of these. So the boys have not seen any of this stuff yet, so I'm actually going to repackage everything in here and have them do an unboxing. Let's see what their reaction is gonna be like. What do you think is in your mystery box?
Geocaching stuff.
Well, what makes you think that?
Because you ordered it.
All right, go ahead and open it up.
Let's open this thing. Wow. You take a what is that? I got thermometer. Thermometer for some reason. Why do I need this?
Check this out.
Wait, this is all geocaching stuff. It's so cool. You never know what's gonna happen. Oh, a geocache. Oh, what is this? This is cool. Yo, it looks really cool.
What else you guys got?
Thing where you hide it on a piece of metal, and we've seen a lot of these kinds of stuff. There's a bicycle that says geocache on it. This fake nut.
What else you got, Mila?
We have this mystery box.
Ooh, a mystery box.
There's something else in here. Fake walk. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is logbook. Fake walk. We have this fake mama, the fake walk. We have yet to create a geocache, so I guess these are a good start. We can use these. We found a cache there. We've never seen any like a bowl, and we've never seen. No, we have. No, we have. We have seen this. Oh, this is right. One this is thick.
You know what that means?
One this is what?
Thanks for the cash. And that's just a nice way of saying thank you to the people who take their time and energy and creativity to make geocaches. You know that 2022 is the year of the hide, so that means we should go out and hide a geocache. What do you think?
I mean, we have lots of stuff to use, but I don't know which one should be used. Should we make multiple geocaches?
Are you guys excited to hide these geocaches one day?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for tonight.
Bye. Literally, bye. 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 Bye.